हरि ओम श्री राम अंबज्ञ नाथ सोवित नाथ सोवित नाथ सोवित. I have lots of patience, don't worry. तुम लोगों ने मुझे आदत डाली है पेशेंस की. So don't worry. I learned patience because of you, not from you, but because of you. This can mean anything. It thinks many things, right? It depends on us how to interpret all the science and even the words, right? And we do that always. What is convenient for us, we mold it accordingly. But one thing we cannot change. Whatever we do, He is not judging us on our words, that is for sure. He is not judging us on our actions. Yes, not in our actions. But the aims and objectives behind the action. The hetu and karan behind the kriti. He, the Swayam Bhagavan, the doer of this world, the only doer, who residing in your heart gives the energy for everything. And you tell me, Bapu, what nonsense you are doing. I just committed a crime. Have I committed or has Swayam Bhagavan committed the crime? Swayam Bhagavan is Swayam Bhagavan. No sin can be committed by him at all. So who has committed the sin? Has the devotee committed the sin? I'm asking you the question, you can answer. Those who know the answer, they can raise their hands. Somebody has done the sin, right? Sin has happened. Sin is committed. By whom? I say, Swayam Bhagavan is the only doer. That implicates the Swayam Bhagavan himself. It is accusation to him that you are committing the sin. But it is just not possible. Shantam Shashvatam Aprame Anagam Nirvan Shanti Pradam. Anagam. He is Anagam, Paparahit. Apramem Anagam Nirvana Shanti Pradam. Anagam. जिससे पाप हो ही नहीं सकता. जो ऐसा हुआ है स्वयं भगवान राम शांतम शाश्वतम अप्रमेय अनगम. Aprameya means he never creates difficulties. He never puts you to question. We only think that he is taking my exam. God is never taking your exam. A bloody stupid misconception. That's why it's called Aprameyam. What is the meaning of Prameya? Prameya means theorem. I am from a vernacular medium school, Marathi medium school, right? So we used to get Prameya in geometry, or we call it theorem, right? He never puts the theorems in front of you. He gives the solutions. He teaches you how to solve the theorem, right? That's why it's called Aprameyam. As he is not putting you to test, he is not judging you by your actions and words. He is Anagam. He cannot be involved in his sin. Now, Bhagavan Bini, Babu, you are saying, not even me, as a dev, me is not me. Huh? You all will be ready with your guns. You sinner, you say that, I will say, come, my dear. Come, say it loud, 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 and I will enjoy. Okay? I love people criticizing me, people talking to me. I'm used to it. All of you just think in your own mind, how many times you have fought with me? Bapu barobar nahi kela. Bapu, this should not happen. How can this happen when you are there? Oh my. Mahaprabhu, no, no, no. I don't appreciate. I, but I appreciate that dialogue of yours. And that means you really believe that I'm yours. I'm at your service. I'm here to serve you, yes. When you believe this, when you say this, when you fight with me, I feel happy. He has not forgotten me. I don't need to tell him to remember me. He's remembering me. So problem, Bapu, you are talking so much, but solve out our problem. Who is doing the sin? Sin, not S-E-E-N sin. S-I-N sin, not sin. Who is committing the pap, sin? Remember, you are not committing a sin if you are a Shraddhavan. And your Bhagavan is definitely not doing the sin, committing the sin. Who is committing the sin? Your ego. You are feeling that I am great in this and this thing, I am very good in this and this thing, I am very poor in this and this thing. That I am feeling of yours. I am so great is the ego. I am so faltu is also an ego. I am good at singing is an ego. I am bad at singing is also ego. The whole play of I am is the ego. So the ego of feeling separateness. I am considering myself to be separate from the whole world, from that God. I feel disconnected from Him. Then only that word I comes. In first provision also, first discourse I said, in me, in Marathi I was speaking, so me means I, my, is the biggest hassle in our life. So let your Swayam Bhagavan ride on your me. Let him make me his horse. He becomes the rider. So, make your Swayam Bhagavan your Swami. Swami means owner. Ramasya daso smeham. See, this sentence is very, very important because Ram comes first. Ramasya dasa asmi aham. Aham is at the end. राम पहला, बाद में उसका दास रूप है. After that comes me. This is the perfect line for all of us. Who are you? I am Ramasya dasa. नहीं. रामस्य दासोस्मि हम. मैं राम का दासू बोला तो गलत, मैं पहले आ गया. Okay? That's why. Who is the sinner? Who committed the sin? Your ego, your ahankar. You are feeling that I am doing everything. I am capable of doing this. Sorry, idiots, you are not capable of making mistakes. You are not capable of making mistakes even. How will you be able to correct them? Just try to commit a mistake. If it is not approved by him, it will not happen at all. So remember, I have been repeating this OV of Chaupai of Tulsidas Ji many times here. Prabhisi Nagar ki jai sab kaja. Ki kostar pura. Wait. Prabhisi Nagar ki jai sab kaja. Prabhisi Nagar means your soul. He is talking to your soul. Nagar means your body. Prabhisi Nagar ki jai sab kaja. तूने जन्म लिया है. So your soul, you Mr. Soul, you are into the body. We think that we are the body and we have a soul inside. No. We are the soul, we are the body outside. Right? So he is talking to our soul. How Ram said, Maharaj, he is speaking to us. Means to our soul. I am the soul. Prabhisi Nagara ki jai saba kaja. You are entered the body. So after entering the body, ki jai saba kaja. जो काज करना है, काम करना है, सब कर लो. प्रभु नगर की जय सब काजा. लेकिन शर्त ये की है, प्रभु नगर की जय सब काजा हृदय राखी Kosalapura Raja. He's not saying Sri Rama, he's saying Kosalapura Raja. Hridaya Rakhi. Not saying keeping him brain. He doesn't stay in your brain at all. He controls your brain definitely. But he stays in heart. Heart is not this pumping machine. Heart is your antakara. Where it resides, nobody knows. Only he knows. So only he stays there. Prabhi Nagar ki jai sabakaja hridaya rakhi Kosalapur Raja. Now he ask me, Babu, why he could not say Raghunath or say Ramachandra, Ram Bhagwan, kuch bhi. Kosalapur Raja. हमने सुना वो अयोध्या का राजा he was the king of Ayodhya. What is the Kosalapura? Kosalapura is the origin. Ayodhya is the capital. The whole Pradesh, the whole area, the whole kingdom was called as Kosalapura. Kosalapura Raja. Here Tulsidas is trying to tell us, you need not be in Ayodhya always. Ayodhya means Ayodhya. There is no conflicts. Like we have ongoing conflicts in our mind. To be or not to be, Hamlet. We are already in Hamlet stage, right? To be or not to be. To do or not to do. To say yes or to say no. To eat or not to eat. To bite or not to bite. To sting or not to sting. To hit or not to hit. Okay? And so many more. Our doubts, right? Karu ya na karu. Karu ya na karu. Should I not? So, Ayodhya is one place. That's a dvandvat. Yudham is dvandva, in between, a fight between two. It will not be two people only. You have two sections of your own mind. They are fighting each other. Such dvandvas do not exist in Ayodhya. So the area, the domain, the kingdom, the capital is such where there is Ayodhya. There are no paradoxes. There are no conflicts. There are no confusions. There are no prameyas. There are no theorems. There is no proving. There is no disproving. There is no question. And there is no answer. So you may not be staying in such a state of mind, obviously. We are not. We are not Paramhansas and what is it called? Brahmarshis and Marshis and Rishis. We are simple people. We are not saints, right? We cannot stay always in Ayodhya. Our mind cannot stay in the state of Ayodhya. That nirdvandva sthiti. With no conflicts, no confusions. No, it is not possible. We face so many conflicts and confusions every day. My mind is fighting over buddhi, buddhi is fighting over mind. Our reason is fighting over logic, logic is fighting over knowledge, our knowledge is fighting over information, our information is fighting with somebody's guidance is fighting with our own feeling. And what feeling I had in the morning, afternoon the same feeling changes. Also I feel very strongly depressed. How are you? यही चलता है यार, क्या करूं? बस सांस चल रही है इसके लिए. Yeah, you think of yourself. Whenever you think, क्या चल रहा है यार, कुछ भी चल रहा है मेरे लाइफ में. So boring. कभी देखो, हा. How? Our mode that time is exam. Udure lavaniya pankhu. Right? We want to just fly in the sky. Sky is not the limit for us. We think there is something beyond the sky and I want to go beyond the sky. We are so happy. And next minute, उस balloon को pin लगा दिया. So many mood swings of ours are not there in Ayodhya. So that means as we are having those conflicts, confusions, queries, difficulties, obstacles, means we are not in Ayodhya. But remember, Ram is not the king of Ayodhya only. Ram is a Kosalapur Raja. If we are Shraddhaman, we may not be staying in Ayodhya, but we are staying in Kosalapur, definitely. And Kosalapur means Kosha. Koshapur. Our body is made up of Pancha Koshas. 5 coverings our Deha body. First is Annamay Kavach, Annamay Kosh. This whole gross body which we see, Annamay Kosh. Inside is Pranamay Kosh, the living force of our life. Inside is Manomay Kosh. Inside is Vijnanamay Kosh. So, our gross body, our subtle body, that is pranas, then the mind which exists or not exists, we do not know. We cannot pinpoint this is the place of mind. Then Vijnanamay Kosh means our feeling, our awareness of me, I am. That is Ahankar. And beyond that is Anandamay Kosh, that is the Ansha of Paramatma in you. There are 5 coverings, Pancha. So, whichever state you are in of these koshas, most of us are always staying in maximum pranamaya koshas only. Maximum up to, first usually into annamaya kosha. Sometimes we go into pranamaya kosha. Very rarely in annamaya kosha. Beyond that we never progress. The ego of ours stops us from going. The ego of ours stops us from crossing the further borders. So Kosalapur Raja means Sri Ram is the king of the whole Kosalapur, all the Panchakoshas. So whichever state of mind you are in, whichever state of condition you are in, still in spite of that, you are the resident of Kosalapur. Your king is Raja Ram only. There is one very famous arti. Any of you remember? Dashavatara Arti. आरती सप्रेम जय जय विठ्ठल परब्रह्मा आरती सप्रेम जय जय विठ्ठल परब्रह्मा संकटी नाना भक्त संकटी नाना स्वरूप स्थापिस स्वधर्मा आरती सप्रेम जय विठ्ठल परब्रह्मा आरती सप्रेम जय विठ्ठल परब्रह्मा. We wait here, all 10 stanzas will have to sing. So there we say, Satava Avatar, Raja Rama Pragatala. There Arti also, what is said? Raja Rama Pragatala. Kosalapura Raja. So remember, if you are a devotee, if you are a Shraddhavan, you may not be staying in the state of Ayodhya, but you are a citizen of Kosalapur. As we have Panchakoshas, he is the Swami of Panchakoshas. He is the Raja of Panchakoshas. So definitely I am the resident. I do not need anybody's Aadhar card. I do not need passport, I do not need visa, I don't need ration card. I have to just say, Sakrudeva Prapannaya Tavasmi iti sauchyate Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhyo Dadami Etat Vartam Mama. राम तू मेरा है मैं शरण हूँ तेरे चरणों में. बस एक बार बोल दो बड़े प्यार से, तुम कोसलपुर के रहवासी हो गए. You have already become the citizen, permanent citizen of Kosalapur. Keep that in mind. So Tulsidas ji is so much full of compassion. He says, Prabhi Srinagar ki jai sabakaja, Hridaya rakhi Kosalapur Raja. He is not calling him Ayodhya Raja. He is calling him Kosalapur Raja. Garala Sudha. Garala Sudha. जब अमृत मंथन हुआ तो देवों ने दैत्यों की सहायता ली. जब देव भी दैत्यों की सहायता लेते हैं, वीरों की सहायता लेते हैं, तो अमृत नहीं निकलता. पहले क्या निकला था? जहलाहल, गरल, जहलाहल विष. हलाल जहर निकल आता है। हम लोग भी बुरे लोगों के साथ रहते हैं तो बुरा ही निकल आता है, अच्छा निकल नहीं सकता। सो गरल सुधा, जो गरल है यानी जो हरा विष है वो सुधा यानी अमृत बन जाता है। अमृत लाने की जरूरत ही नहीं। प्रवेश नगर की जय सब काजा, हृदय राखी कौशलपुर राजा, और गरल सुधा बन जाएगी। इससे हमारे ये नहीं जाकर शराब पीऊंगा, भगवान इसका दूध बना दो। सो गरल सुधा जो हलाल विष है वो अमृत बन जाता है। सुधा मीन्स अमृत। अमृत लाने की जरूरत ही नहीं होती। एक बार कौशलपुर का राजा बना हुआ जो राम है, उसके शहर में जाकर, राज्य में जाकर बसे, अयोध्या में जहाँ पहुँचे ना पहुँचे बात की बात है। गरल सुधा रिपु कर रही मिताई, द एनिमी बिकम्स अ फ्रेंड। That doesn't mean he will come and kiss you. No. Don't think that. But whatever action he takes against you, they turn in your favor. Garal sudhari pukare mitai, gopad sindhu. The impression created in the mud by cow's one foot, that much is sufficient to accommodate all the seven seas. गरल सुधारी पुकारे निताई, गोपद सिंधु अनल शीतलाई। अग्नि जो है वो तुम्हें ऐसी जैसा काम देगा। यानी as I always told you, he controls all the paradoxes, he controls all the contrasts, he controls all the opposite ends. So प्रवेश नगर की जय सब आकाशा। Remember, to destroy your ego, which makes you sinner, simple thing is, remember him. That I am staying in his land. This body of mine is Kausalapur, in which he is staying, he is residing. And this I is Ramasya Dasa. I have no other existence other than Ramasya Dasa. Work is done. Sin will be committed still. Mistakes will occur. But we will not be the sinner. But feeling should be true. Not only to avoid responsibility of sins and mistakes. No. If you are going with that particular attitude, he will not accept you. Because what he wants is true love from you. Honesty from you. Really. How much dirty sin you have committed. If you are honest to him, he will bring you out definitely. कितना बड़ा पाप कर सकते हो? तुम्हारी कैपेसिटी है क्या? आई एम आस्किंग यू, कितना बड़ा पाप कर सकते हो? लेकिन तुम्हारे बाप की इतनी औकात है, समझिए, तुम सब लोगों का पाप मिलकर जो पाप होता है उससे 100 गुना पाप भी वो फू करके फूक सकता है। That should be the trust. Don't fall into that deep valley of guilt. Don't fall into the valley of, that's a valley actually, that is a mountain. Don't fall for that particular game. I am supposed to climb this big mountain. No. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yat kripa tamham vande paramananda madhavam. मुखम करोति वाचालम, जो मुख है उसे बोलने की ताकत देता है। पंगुम लंघयते गिरिम, जिसके पैर लंगड़े हैं उससे पर्वत पर चढ़ने की ताकत देता है। सो इफ देयर इज अ mountain of obstacles, of difficulties, I am not the one who are crossing and suicide. My God is with me. I am sitting on the shoulders of my God. Are you understand? So, what is important? Kausalapur. When we started, We started with sin. We started with nothing. When we started in this world, we started with nothing. We just came raw. कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा, लिख दिया ना उस पे तेरा तेरा तेरा. Hey, keep that in mind. We come in this world with kora kagaj. If you are Shraddhavan in this birth, next birth you will come with kora kagaj. And on that kora kagaj तुमको वही नाम लिखना है जिससे तुम प्यार करते हो, मोहब्बत करते हो. समझे? लेकिन ये हमारा भगवान है कैसा? वो हमें प्यार कैसे सिखाता है? हम उसकी नजर चुरा के भाग जाते हैं. क्लास में से हम नजर चुरा के भाग जाते हैं, टीचर का नजर भाग जाते हैं, उससे दूर भाग जाते हैं. लेकिन वो कहता है ये नहीं चलेगा. सुनना है? नजर चुरा के चले गए वो, वरना घायल कर देता, दिल से दिल टकरा जाता तो दिल में अग्नि भर देता. राइट? सुना है? और इडियट्स मोरन्स है. इतने सुंदर सुंदर सॉन्ग नहीं सुनते. मेरे प्यारे हीरो गाए, शम्मी कपूर गाए. ये है उसकी गवाही. एक बार देख लो आंखों में मेरे, बेकाबू कर दूंगा. वो कहता है तो सेल्फ राइज. समझे? उसकी आंखों में झांक कर देखो, उसके जादू का पता चल जाएगा, काम हो जाएगा. समझे? क्योंकि वो प्यार करता है. तुम्हारी कंडीशन देखता, तुम्हारा पाप नहीं देखता. He doesn't have a counter to count your sins and mistakes, not at all. He may shout at you, he may kick you also, but still that will be done with love only. He loves you so much. So I like to tell you, you are my strength, my dears. Okay? And you will be my strength. क्योंकि आज की दत्त जयंती है, ये मेरे भगवान की जयंती है, ये मेरे नाना जी की जयंती है, ये मेरे परदाने की जयंती है. आते अन्नसूया का जन्म भी इसी दिन हुआ था. इस दिन हम दत्त भगवान का सुमिरन करते हैं, पूजन करते हैं, दर्शन लेते हैं. दत्त भगवान को सबसे प्रिय क्या है? कोई जानता है? एनीबडी? स्मरण. ओके, वेरी गुड. और क्या? थाना. और थाना मेंटल. हम एक बात बता दूँ, मैं कुछ दिनों के लिए थाना मेंटल हॉस्पिटल जाता था. Not for treatment, please. Right? So one of my friend wanted to come. I told him, he is Mr. Engineer, keep away from everybody there. कुछ गड़बड़ मत करो. But you know, there's always a controversy between engineers and doctors, right? Actually, he is the basic engineer. He is the basic engineer only, so no worries, no problems. Whether he should become doctor or something, that is his problem. So मैं उनके इंजीनियर साहब को ले गया साथ में. तो हॉल में बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठा होकर गरबा खेल रहे थे. बड़ी शान से एक औरत गाना गा रही थी, इतने मस्त नाच रहे थे. बीच में दिया था, अम्मा अम्बा के गाने गा रहे थे. और वेरी प्रॉपर गरबा डांस, सुसंस्कृत कल्चर. मतलब कैसे अच्छे लोगों को तू यहाँ फंसा के रखता है. मैं नहीं रखता, मैं विजिटिंग के लिए आया हूँ सिर्फ. तो ये लोग कैसे हैं? मैं आई वॉन्ट टू मीट द डॉक्टर. आई से फर्स्ट मीट दिस पीपल, टॉक टू देम. He feeling himself very brave, the ego. I understand better than the doctor. I understand better than the real doctor. I understand better than him. H capital, I capital, M capital. He went to when that lady was singing. He said, बहन जी आप कितने कैसे इतना अच्छा गा लेती हो. उसने एक जोर से तमाचा मारा इसको. Word I cannot use, but only simple words which you use. बेशरम, निकम्मे, शर्म नहीं आती. You dark Indian, I'm the Queen Victoria. You're talking to me? He realized what grave mistake, and she went on saying, tak, 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 tak. In same way, another person came. What's the matter, ma'am? Majesty, the Queen? I'm Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of yours. He had a stick in his hand, like Churchill used to have. Tak, tak, tak. I said, good, very good. जो मेरा सुनता नहीं है ना, उसकी ये हालत होती है. मैं कुछ नहीं करता, पागल उसे मारते हैं. Right? So, it's a joke, just for fun. But understand, try to understand that without understanding what is the situation, neither criticize something nor praise something. In the world, whatever you are doing, what Datta Bhagavan likes is you praise him, he is happy. Remembering, he is happy. He is a Smartugam. As soon as you remember, he comes. He loves songs, he loves devotional songs, he loves abhangas, he loves stotras, definitely. He loves tapa, yes. He loves even right marga tantra. No problems. What exactly he likes the most is yes, anybody again now. Asking a purpose will give you some time, not much more time. I don't want to do time pass here. Bhav, yes, pure, definitely. 90 marks. Actually, in my seminars, you ask my seminar boys and girls, my marks start from minus 500 crores. So 95 is the excellent marks here. Come on. Veda. Faith, Vishwas. Yes, true. 99 and a half. Bhakti, honesty, 99 and a half. Shine 7.99 and 7. 99.7 marks. I reach 100. I told you. Distance between 99 and 100 is the biggest distance. Samarpan 99.5 marks only. From 90.19.7 you have come back 99.5. So 0.2 marks less. Try to remember something. What have I written in our Granthas? Datta Guru is my Karavita Guru. He is a master enabler. Have you read or no? So he is a Karavita Guru. That means he is a master enabler. He makes me able, capable of doing what I am trying to do. So, what he must be liking? He will be liking our efforts, parishram. Bhakti definitely, but bhakti may be, even in devotion, parishram are required. The efforts are required. But at the same time, I am taking the effort that feeling should not be there. He is getting it done. Karavita Guru. He is getting efforts done. मैंने जप किया नहीं. Only this much jap happened. Okay? You say, Babu, what is so much in the words? It is not the words that matters to him. It is matters for us because we are hard nuts to crack. We do not learn anything good rapidly. We learn bad things very rapidly, promptly, absolutely. So to teach our own mind the good things, we have to go on repeating them. So you have to always say, कि माझा करविता दत्त गुरु है. My master enabler is Datta Guru, Datta Bhagwan. Right? Now we would ask me, Babu, what is the utility, importance, use of telling this to our mind, and in which way we should tell? Right? For this we do not have to go around much. We have a very simple thing in front of our eyes, which we know very well. Right? How Datta Guru looks. 3 heads, 6 hands, 2 legs. How many eyes? 6 eyes. No. 7 eyes. शिव के 3 नेत्र है ना, भूल गया ना. I am very good fielder, you know. I never drop single catch. See that? 3 heads, 6 arms. Listen, 6 arms, 6 arms है उसको, 7 eyes, but 2 legs. But 2 legs. And important thing is about his charana, 2 feet, his charana. See, we go to Gangapur. What दर्शन, किसका दर्शन करते हैं हम लोग? पादुका का. नरसोबाची वाड़ी, पादुका. गिरनार, पादुका. औदुंबर, पादुका. That means दत्त भगवान के चरण जो है, the lotus feet of Sri Sadguru Dattatreya is the most important thing. If you try to remember his charana, so though we learn all Navavidha Bhaktis, the most important bhakti is charana bhakti. शरण भक्ति भी नहीं, चरण भक्ति. दत्त भगवान के चरणों का दर्शन, दत्त भगवान के चरणों की सेवा, दत्त भगवान के चरणों का अर्चन, पूजन, दर्शन, सब कुछ, everything ties you very strongly with Swayam Bhagavan. Because Datta Guru's charan are his eyes. Datta Guru's charans are Swayam Bhagavan's eyes. And Swayam Bhagavan himself is the all 6 hands of Datta Bhagavan. समझ गए? पर स्वयं भगवान क्या है? दत्त भगवान के 2 चरण भी है और 6 हाथ भी है. If you are remembering his charan, if you are remembering his charan, Datta Bhagavan's charan, you are worshipping his charan, Swayam Bhagavan is automatically remembered. And if you are remembering Swayam Bhagavan, Datta Bhagavan के चरणों के दर्शन का सब पुण्य फल तुम्हें मिल ही जाता है. तो क्या करें बाबू, हम उनके चरणों का ध्यान कैसे करें, हम चरणों का स्मरण कैसे करें? इसके लिए जानना आवश्यक है. राम, ये जो अक्षर है, ये अक्षरी दत्त भगवान के 2 चरण हैं. राम राम राम. हमारा श्वास और उच्छ्वास ये दत्त भगवान के 2 चरण हैं. राम राम राम. रा से अंदर लेना है, म से बाहर छोड़ना है. ऐसे करने की कोई कोशिश नहीं करना, अपने अपने हो जाएगा. अजब अजब है. समझे? हमारे नित्य जीवन में स्वयं भगवान ने कैसी कैसी सुविधाएं बना के रखी हुई है. उसका भी स्मरण होगा, हमारा भी स्मरण होगा. And when we sing Rama Rama Atma Rama, Trivikrama Sadguru Samartha, Sadguru Samartha Trivikrama Atma Rama Rama. That time we are getting connected to Swayam Bhagavan as well as all the Trinath. Right? Who does that? He does it. The only one, Swayam Bhagavan, whom we call Ramabhadra, whom we call Ramachandra, whom we call Sri Ram, whom we call Sri Krishna, whom we call Trivikram, anything you want to call him. Twice is yours. When he is Swayam Bhagavan, that is the basic term. The basic existence of his is Swayam Bhagavan. And Datta Guru, and he is nothing else but the version of Datta Guru for you, for us modern men to understand, to comprehend, to worship. Datta is too vast for a common man to understand. So the Vatsalya Guru, Jagan Mauli, came in between and said, these children are idiots. They will not understand you, Bhagavan. So I will create a copy of yours. And gave the birth to Dattatreya. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And Dattatreya, in Datta Bhavani, what do you see? Rama Krishna Rupe, Kidi Lirao. You should understand. The Swayam Bhagavan and Datta Guru's Charan is nothing else but the same. Datta Guru's all the 6 hands and his 2 hands are same. Okay? Something that is Nirgun, Nirakar and Vas, Datta Guru, we cannot comprehend, we cannot understand. But the same thing, because of the love of the Divine Mother, Mother Divine, has become the Swayam Bhagavan. Are you understanding? So keep in always mind that whenever we go to Datta Kshetra, look at for his Paduka, look at his Charana first. Our usual habit is we look at the face of the God always. I will tell you. Looking at his face definitely gives you confidence. You feel better. You like to see. It is a darshan mahima. But real energy, the real confidence, all best qualities you get from his feet, from his lotus feet, Charana Darshan. I told you 100 times. क्यों में खड़े होकर भगवान के दर्शन के आगे चलते रहते हैं. We think whether God has seen me or not. Don't bother. Bother for this. Have I looked at his feet or not? That is what matters most to you. Because whether his eyes open or closed, he is looking at me. Be very sure. For today's Datta Jayanti, my real message for all of you is never forget that Swayam Bhagavan is given the specific responsibility to look at you continuously. We look at every Swayam Bhagavan Bhakta, every Gurudatta Bhakta, every Chandrika Bhakta continuously. And he never fails in his duty. He never fails you also. Right? So Pragirsi Nagara ki jai sabaka jar, Hriday rakhi ko seh braja. Garra sudhari pukari mitai, gopar sindhar. That is what we want. हम जहर को अमृत बनाना चाहते हैं. हम आगे गए रिपु करे मिताई. हम जो हमारे अगेंस्ट जा रहा है उसे हमारे साइड में लेना चाहते हैं. मे बी एनीथिंग, may not be a man or woman only. Can be situation also. People can go for the Sindhu. Go for the Sindhu. मुझे इतना बड़ा टास्क लग रहा है हम लोगों को. That will become very small for us. Anala Sitalai. Anal means the burning fire. What is burning me? What is troubling me? What is giving me pain? Will become the medicine on pain. Yes. It happens definitely. But for that matter, For that, now remember, the real thing is coming out now. For that matter, you don't have to run after him. You don't have to run after him. You don't have to chant his name continuously whole day. You do not have to be, oh my God, sorry, Deva, sorry, Bhagavan, sorry. No aprakshamapan continuously. What you need the most is, as soon as you get up, one day you might forget, 6 days you might forget, at least once in a week you must remember. The God, my Ishta. Ishta means my favorite God. Do not forget to look at him and say, I love you. No good mornings, no hellos. Just say I love you. And at night, before sleeping, if you have his photograph, kiss him and say, love you, Dad, love you, Dad. I'll tell you one thing. Trinas will be most happy, much more happy than anything else. I will just say this, love you. Just think, you are sitting in your house, you are angry with your own child. Child comes and kisses you. Then Dad is sorry. What happens? Forget everything. Right? It's the same thing is with him also. You think he's different than you? No. He's just like you. He wants to be like you only always. So that you can vibe with him, can talk to him, can fight with him, can argue with him, can get angry with him. And you can dance with him happily. Okay? So, remembering that arch, Datta Purnima, we want to take the darshan of Datta Paduka. And we want to worship our Swayam Bhagavan. So what should we do? What should we do? Which japa should we do? Which song we should go for? Which bhajan we should go for? Vishwata Vishramare Swami Maza Ramare. Vishwasa Vishramare Swami Maza Ramare. Those who do not understand Marathi much, for them, for whole world, in every universe, in every cosmos, every earth, for everyone, he is the shelter. He is the comfort giver. He is the real comforting. He is a real comfort zone. He is the water for the one who is thirsty. He is the food for the one who is hungry. He is the shelter who wants to sleep, who is tired. And he is the warrior for the one who is scared of anybody's attack. Sakrudeva prapannaya tavasmi iti sauchate abhayam sarva bhutebhyo dadami etat vartam mama. You must understand that real Vishram is your own God only, the God only. Right? There is no other Vishram, there is no other rest, there is no other comfort. Okay? There is real comfort, real rest, real rejuvenation. Only at his lotus feet. That is the Datta Guru. You want to get Datta Guru, you have to take refuge into Swayam Bhagavan's lotus feet only. Right? And he will become your comfort. He will become your Swami. You are my, you are I, you are me. He will ride on it. What are you worried of? You are that me, myself, mine, I. Is a horse which is wild horse. You just cannot ride on him. But he can. So what about him? He's so ever young. So don't raise that. He doesn't like to hit anybody. He doesn't like to beat anybody. He doesn't like to push anybody. He likes to love everybody. So give him what he wants. What he wants to love you. He wants being loved. So give him what he wants. You try to give him what you want. No. Give him what he wants. What I am trying to tell you, Bachus, is you give somebody to your loved one, beloved one, something that person likes. In the same way, believe what your God wants is love and to be loved. Give him that only. Vishwasa Vishramare Swami Mazare. Let your God ride your ego. He knows how to control the wild horse. The wild horse will be controlled and your birth will be successful. Your life will be successful, not a failure. Madhasi Sharana Ala Ani Vaya Gela Dakhava Aisa. This is a challenge. माझे शरण आला आणि वाया गेला दाखवा ऐसा कोई नॉट अ सिंगल सोन जो मुझे शरण आया है और वाया आने फैल गया है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता, ना कभी हुआ है, ना कभी होगा, ना कभी होने दूंगा. लव यू ऑल. गाएंगे सभी लोग, लेकिन बैठ के नहीं, खड़े रह के गाएंगे. ही गोष्ट खरी. गाणं घालायचं तर असं, पण आस्क समथिंग, आस्क विथ प्युअर लव. डोंट बेक, जस्ट से आय लव यू and you will get everything. But not what is bad for you. What is right for you will be definitely given. Not according to your time and in your way, in my style and my way and my time. And whom I love, I am very possessive. I am very possessive, extremely possessive. And I do what I want only. Love you all. Love you all.